Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use a Shein gift card. Now, a Shein gift card can be used on pretty much any item, as you can see right here on the Shein website, after you made a checkout. So you will need to go with an item in the checkout, and then you will be able to add your gift card there, and you will be able to use a Shein gift card that way. So as you can see right here, you need to visit the Shein.com website, select all the items you want to purchase from their website, and once done, go to the checkout page. From there, you'll be able to select add gift card. From there, you can just type your secret code and click apply, and the gift card balance will be applied to your order. Now, as you can see, how will my Shein gift card be delivered? Your Shein gift card will be digitally delivered via web link, so you will be able to use the code via your Gmail or web link. In the case of some orders, to fight against payment fraud, we might need to send a request to verify your payment details as well. Now, what can I purchase with Shein gift card? With Shein gift cards, it can be redeemed online at Shein.com, and you can be used to get your favorite items from their store right away. They can be used only for Shein Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain. So make sure you know this before you actually go and use a Shein gift card. Now, if you have any questions around a Shein gift card, or if your Shein gift card is not working, then the best thing would be to go and contact Shein support directly. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.